Welcome back. So what we're going to do is we are going to engrave the basic squares here and here. Now, as you can tell, I've just used a basic Sharpie pen to highlight this, so that's why it's not exactly great. Well, this is good because it means we get to practice on doing straight lines as well. I'll be using this little wooden stick as a basic guide, so hopefully we can get some reasonably straight lines. Now the bit we're going to be using is not going to be my usual diamond tip, so we're going to be using this polishing stone. As I said, all I'm doing is establishing the lines, then I will be filling some of these lines in, and then we will be painting in the next part. Well, as you can see, writing with a Dremel like this, and particularly this bit, isn't actually too terrible. As you can see, I've got quite some clear, good lettering. Now, overall, what I'm going to be doing is highlighting the boxes. I will be swapping out this bit for one of my other pieces. See, our test piece is ready. I will do this for the enamel one, again filming it for you gentle folks, and we shall then get on with painting. Now for this piece, I will be dividing this one slightly differently. It will be a green and red enamel gloss, these ones. And again, similarly, there will be an engraved part and a non-engraved part. Again, this is just to see contrast. After all these are done, I'll be using a damp cloth to quickly wipe over the surface of all of them to see how well the paints hold up. Now, I've been told enamel, once it's set, is supposed to be one of the better glass painting types of material. see how much better using the smaller one was in comparison to the big one, which was obviously overloaded with paint. So, just on these alone, what have we learned? Well, you can see the colour difference. It's amazing how much mixing it with engraved surfaces will change the colour of that. Now in regards to this, we're not going to find out until it's dry. So,
and here we have the Tamiya sample. So thank you very much for watching this video. We'll be getting onto the Tamiya colours in the next part, glass painting part 3. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe for more, and I shall see you on the next Ed Learns to Engrave.